Can you talk
Mhm.
about how just like what is the life and the like of being a partner?
Yeah, I mean, it's great. It's a little bit more responsibility than on some things than you wanted. You don't get to do your regular job anymore. You have to put out fire. But I think it's great because, I've worked with some clients, the same person at the client for 15 years or something like that. And now that you're a partner and you've both been at these places a long time, it's just like you have the conversations and you're like, what's the business? What's the strategy? And like, where are we going? And so you get more ingrained into what the business purpose and the commercial purpose of your clients are and like what they're trying to do, which helps you become a much better lawyer for them, right? If I don't know what your objective is, I don't know how to help you achieve it. And so I think when you're partner, you get to be privy to more of those types of conversations. And that's how I think I've gotten the perspective. Like I know what investors are looking for because I've talked to the client or I've had to be on due diligence calls when they're like, let's talk about how bad your patent portfolio is. You're like, no, no,
Yeah,
no.
yeah, yeah,
Like,
yeah,
this is a
yeah,
very good portfolio.
yeah, yeah.
But they're always trying to break it down, right? When investors are looking at, they're like, well, this isn't as good as you say it is. They're always being the naysayers. And so I think, at this stage, you're hopefully confident enough to be like, "No, this is what we're doing. This is a good strategy, and, it's gonna be fine." And so it's been great to be on that end now.
Absolutely. It sounds like you get a very holistic view, which is a very unique vantage point. Um,
Yeah, it is, and it's because I work with all sizes of clients, I also get to see the perspective from the big client and from the small client or university, what they're trying to do and achieve, and how again, sometimes you're like, "Can I take what I know from these mid-size or these big clients? Is any of it useful to the small guys? Like, I can tell you what the big guys do, but you might not have money for
yeah,
money for
yeah,
that yet.
yeah,
But,
yeah,
like,
yeah.
this is what you can strive for and maybe do a little bit of it now, or, this is what I see my other clients doing." And so once you are able to get integrated into the client, it's really helpful.
And I think I think it's like an incredibly unique and valuable perspective and position that you're in because like and I always think about my friends who went in house who are formerly at firms